I'm not going. Come on. Too easy. That boy gonna do push-ups all day, huh? Let's go. It's not me, it's God. I'm just the vessel, that's it. Blessings. Thank you. Let's get it. All right, 3, 2, and 1, go. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, We got unks coming out. We got the unks coming out. They're trying to see what's going
Better than yesterday.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, way better than yesterday.
Not even a question.
Yeah, yesterday we were doing too much. Y'all ready? Ya se va, ya se ve. Él acabó feo, bye.
We're good, we're good.
Huh? Oh, because I just ate, so mine wasn't accurate.
You should do it in the morning during the fasting.
Huh?
When you're fasting in the morning, you will get ready.
Oh, really?
If you go after eating, it will be ready. How much we have?
47.7.
Hey, man!
47?
Go
Not
die.
accurate. This man probably like at least sub 8. He's like 8% body fat. You go right here. Hey, who else can do 80?